Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can type the clear heart symbol on iPhone. On your iPhone, you don't have to copy and paste it from like a symbol website or something like that. Super simple to do, right? So just follow my lead. We are going to select the general section, and under date and time there will be a keyboard section which you will select. Then select the keyboards option on the very top of your screen. Then you're going to add a new keyboard. You're going to type in Japanese, and then you're going to select it, and you're going to select the Kana one, and you're going to select done. Once you have applied that to your keyboard settings, you are going to move to Notes or to iMessage or to any app you use to type, of course. Then you're going to change it by pressing the globe icon on the very bottom left corner until you've reached the Japanese one. Once you're done, you're going to select the ABC above the emoji, and you are going to press this, and then you're going to you're going to select, hold on, why isn't it showing up? Well, it should be somewhere in one of the numbers, sorry. So to find it, I'm just gonna go and select this. And then you're going to select this, and you're going to press the star shape, and then press the ABC one again. Oh, it's here, sorry. And that is it. Again, sorry, I forgot how to do it. You're going to select this. Select 1, 2, 3 first, and then select the star shape. And then on the top here, you're able to see there's a heart shape on the top, and you'll be able to change it to that clear heart symbol on your iPhone without having to copy and paste. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, sorry. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and here I will show you again in case you missed it. You're going to select on the numbers, you're going to select on the star symbol, and on the top here you'll be able to see there's a clear heart symbol which will replace that star shaped symbol that you just added. So if you can't do that, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll hopefully be able to see your comment and help you with figuring this out. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.